Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 13th of May 2019. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates from my side. Okay, now we are moving ahead towards today's analysis, and I am going to start today's analysis from New Zealand USD. Okay guys, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD from 065738 and 065434 is the target price, and guys you can see right now it has taken a U-turn and finally New Zealand USD is already dropped. If we go to the daily chart, then you can see that the candles are below the candle is below the middle dotted line of the trading system, so it's suggesting the downward trend up to now. So we do not have any bullish signs at the moment. Overall it's in a bearish zone, and if it continues the bearish pattern like this, then it can go up to 065434. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. I am here on the chart, and that's the fourth signal of my signals report with a bearish trend on USDJPY from 109614 and 109209 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on USDJPY. Within a single candle, USDJPY has gone down and it has hit our target price with no problem. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the weakness that we have seen today on USDCHF. It's going down, and I have already highlighted this thing in my previous analysis. 100941 was the bearish entry from my side, and 100590 is the target price. And guys, you can see that today the market has followed the bearish pattern again, and USDCHF is finally down. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on USDCHF. They must have collected a very good profit. Okay, now let's move towards USD Canadian dollar. Bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 134419 and 134882 is the target price. And guys, you can see already it is into the bullish zone. It has already breaks the entry, and now it's just near to the target price. Overall, if you have taken your profits up to now, then you should exit from this trade because it's already enough to take the profit on USD Canadian dollar. At last, I'm going to talk about EURJPY, and EURJPY with a bearish expectation from 123037 and 122540 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a good drop on EURJPY seen today, and EURJPY finally hit the target price that I have supplied in my signal report, that was 122540. So overall guys, overall a satisfactory day. You know that today is Monday, and normally the market keeps the slower momentum, but however today we have seen decent momentum in the market, so it was good for trading. Overall guys, about the trading system, for those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's making the bullish pattern, like you can see here, it's making the bullish pattern, and also you have received the buy signal from the scalper. That's a kind of a good trading setup. You can take a buy position. Look, the market has went up, and when it goes into the top red boundary, and if you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And right now, if you look, EURJPY is into the lower red boundary, and it's starting the bullish momentum. So if it continues the bullish momentum, then again you will be into the buy position. So this is how this trading system helps you to take your trades. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.